Hello, Namaste, Namaskar. We, the students of NSOT Law College Sangli, representing a unique and revolutionary idea that is e-Bhumi portal. We all belong from a semi-urban and rural areas. So every one of us knows the disputes regarding the agricultural lands, the crimes like the fraud, forgery, and endless battles in the courts. So to solve these problems, we are going to give a unique idea that is e-Bhumi portal.
India's land system is broken. 66% of civil cases are land disputes. Corruption is rampant. Fraud, middlemen control transactions. Farmers lose land and families fight for the generations and justice is delayed. Why? Because India's land records show possession and not the ownership. Tamper-proof, transparent and corruption-free land governance is the need of hour and e-Bhumi is the revolutionary solution.
e-Bhumi links the Aadhaar card with the land records and it ensures the legal disputes are the minimizes through the blockchain and the AI technology. In the simplifying the transaction, which is the inheritance, selling, buying of the transaction of the land. And in a recent year, we are also initially started that the hybrid mode, which is firstly traditional and as well as the dematerialized, that is modern mode. And India has made a significant way and faster and easier land transaction.
Here are supported and backed by Indian land law. For example, Property Transfer Act, Indian Stamp Act, and Registration Act. This act not only support but also open various windows of possibilities for further development.
In conclusion, e-Bhumi portal can be a remarkable digital revolution for agricultural land transactions. It simplifies the transactions and reduces corruption. The countries like Georgia, Estonia, and Dubai, which had made the 100% digital land transactions, 99.9% reduction in the land fraud cases. Dubai system proves that the land transactions can be fully digitalized, ensuring fast, fraud-free, secure, and property transfer. At the end, we hope that our efforts will contribute to build a stronger, more transparent, and corruption-free land governance system in India.
e-Bhumi, your land, your right, no fraud, no fight.